Today we will discuss about the iPhone, which is a product of Apple, as you would know that Apple is a very famous and expensive brand. That's why today we discussed on iPhone Flip. Before proceeding video, please subscribe the channel and share this video on your relatives and friends, and let's get start. iPhone Flip release date, price, display and full review. The iPhone Flip is not in Apple's current plans, although the systems have a way to change over time. As we enter 2022, it is unclear whether we will see the iPhone rolling this year, but all indications are that Apple wants to challenge Samsung and others with its folding device. We have seen patents proving that. So no, the iPhone Flip will not be shipped anytime soon. But folding is always a growing part of the smartphone world. Shortly after the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3, Samsung announced the Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition, where you can mix and match colors in your foldable. Microsoft's two-screen Surface Duo 2 is now out. Apparently, the race has already begun to build the leading mobile phone. The best iPhones you can buy right now: Galaxy Z Fold 3 versus Galaxy Z Flip 3. How different? Samsung Folders 1 plus 10 Pro. What is the difference? So when will Apple jump into that race? The company often waits to release new products until it knows they can handle anything. The iPhone wasn't the first smartphone, but it certainly got its predecessor. And Apple's curly phone copyright, as well as conceptual drawings from independent designers, suggest that Apple can actually make its mark with the iPhone Flip Fold. iPhone Flip display size. Ming-Chi Kuo said the first folding iPhone will have an 8-inch display. That would be bigger than the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 3. Rumors point to a display between 7 and 7.7 inches, and even larger than the current iPad mini, 7.9 inches. A separate report states that Apple may be working with LG on a 7.5-inch OLED display panel. iPhone Flip release date. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has predicted that the first rollout iPhone will be launched in 2023. He expects Apple to ship 20 million units in the first year. A separate report from Digitime suggested that the iPhone Flip could arrive this year, but rewarding Apple John Prosser said 2022 had high hopes, and that the iPhone Flip would not arrive until much later. Similarly, Mark Gurman of Bloomberg claims that the folding iPhone is 2 to 3 years old. So it seems likely that while Samsung is moving forward with its folding phone systems, Apple will be slower and perhaps more cautious, focusing on the release of the iPhone 14 and iPhone SE 3 by 2022. Another report from Business Korea also suggested that the iPhone Flip could arrive in 2023, and the irony is that Apple is working on a folding phone design. Whether that means there are a few designs that Cupertino will choose from, or whether Apple is working on two folding phones, remains to be seen. As the year 2021 draws to a close, display supply chain monitors are confirming that the folding iPhone will not be available until early 2023, by 2024, which is likely to be targeted. And in early 2022, leaked Dylan KT said Apple was testing the cracked iPhone, but that launch had not yet arrived. iPhone Flip design. According to John Prosser, Apple has tested two different versions of the iPhone Flip, a hybrid folded tablet, similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and a clamshell phone design similar to the Galaxy Z Flip range. Those sources also say that Apple will continue with the clamshell design, although it is still too early in the development process and there is a possibility that things could change. Patent filing also reveals some of the things Apple may consider its compact, including any future devices that may bypass the clamshell design in order to reap the benefits. In 2020, we noticed another Apple patent outlining a shared operating mode that could allow a single-screen device to be fitted with a second magnetic connected display. In theory, this mode may allow independent devices to join to combine a single shared space, which does not really interact with the rest of the folding panel view. It is more of a Microsoft Surface Duo than a Samsung Galaxy Fold. iPhone Flip price. This is a very difficult question to answer, both because the price has never been part of the few current iPhone rumors, another sign that the iPhone Flip will be released sooner rather than later, and because device costs will depend more on Apple's approach to design. Imagine the Galaxy Fold starting at $1,980 with a 7.3-inch tablet-like display when unlocked, with a small 4.6-inch panel outside. Just 6 months later, the Galaxy Z Flip was released with a 6.7-inch high-resolution screen mounted on ultra-thin glass for better performance at $600 less. The same price difference is stored in the latest Galaxy folders, with the Z Fold 3 costing $1,799 at launch and the Z Flip 3 for only $999. If Apple opts for a smaller and cheaper package, the phone price may not be as far away from premium handsets as the $1,099 iPhone 12 Pro Max. However, if the folding iPhone is intended as a tablet phone if needed, such as the Galaxy Z Fold 3, the price may be higher than that of Apple's standard smartphones. iPhone Flip durability. We saw a patent in October 2020 that suggested that the iPhone Flip could come with an upgraded version of the iPhone 12 ceramic shoe. Beyond that support layer can even be made of glass or sapphire for extra strength. There was also speculation that the display could cool itself due to a layer of organic matter that could reduce the appearance of scratches or dents. There's no guarantee that Apple will launch such a handset, of course, but Prosser's report reminds us that the company's first folding